I wonder if there's such a thing as a Christian motorcycle club. What would the bylaws for a Christian motorcycle club say? And would they ride like a real motorcycle club? I wonder if a Christian motorcycle club is just a bunch of sissy Christians. I wonder if they'd be real men. I wonder how some Christian motorcycle club guys would treat their wives. Would they let the women ride with them in the pack? I bet some Christian motorcycle club men are serious about their faith. You know what? I think I'm going to Google that. Is there such a thing as a Christian motorcycle club? Oh, look, disciplechristianmc.com.